Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and in today's video I will be doing an unboxing and review of the August Lady Gaga bag. So let's get started. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So this time the bag has red, blue and white stripes on it. It's an abstract design travel pouch basically. The material is that of thick fabric and it's quite similar to the March Lady Gaga bag pouch in both quality and pattern. Moving to the contents. The first product is from Fuchsia and this is the Radiance Face Mask Berry Blend. In the ingredients it has rose water, kaolin light, china clay, glycerin, bentonite powder, mulberry extract, blueberry oil, aloe vera and vitamin E. This is a deluxe sample of 50 grams and the cost of this product is 250 rupees. We know that Fuchsia is acidus free, phthalates free, paraben free and cruelty free. I actually have the full size tub of this which I have used quite a lot. I received it in my June guested box. It does the work of a clay based mask and does make your skin look cleaner and fresher. And the good thing about this is that it doesn't make your skin dry by pulling out all the moisture. Skin stays supple and soft even after using this. So it's definitely a good face mask, but it's not a new product for me. Still, I'm happy to receive this one. The next product has come bubble wrapped. So this is the Twak Antioxidant Night Repair Cream. This is for normal to dry skin type. I have combination skin but it tends to become drier in winter season, so I think I'll use it during the winters, which is almost here in Bangalore. Cost of this product is 745 and here is the ingredient list and all the things this night cream claims to do for your skin. This is how it looks. The consistency is not too thick or too light. It blends in quite well and is quite hydrating. And it actually has a citrusy, lemony fragrance. Definitely I'm going to try it maybe in a couple of months time. It seems like a good night cream. Next we have some jewelry inside this mesh bag. The first one is this fox pendant. I received the exact piece in last month's guesswork box and I absolutely love this. It's so pretty and cute and it even sends a message that you are an animal lover. The quality of this chain and the pendant is really good and I love the fact that it's rose gold in color. Even the chain is rose gold in color. So definitely I liked it, but since I already have one, probably I'll give it to someone. But still I am very happy to receive this. Then the next piece of jewelry is this beautiful pair of earrings. Again, I liked it a lot. It kind of suits my style statement. It would look really pretty with any Indian or Western outfit as it's a nice Indo-Western design. It has these white stones or gems embedded in it and here we have snake skin kind of pattern. So it's quite stylish and the quality is also really good. So I love this jewelry piece too. Then we have a surprise gift as always, which is gift wrapped. Okay, so this is a nail paint from Seduction Las Vegas and this is a 9.5 ml product and in the shade Shine a Little Love. Well, if you can see, it's a very glittery pink color shade which I am not very fond of. It's kind of like a very girly and Barbie kind of color. Well, I've used other shades from this brand and they're really nice. In fact, the shade I'm wearing, this one is from Seduction Las Vegas itself. I'm not very sure about this shade in particular. Yeah, I think many of you will like it and I think everybody is going to get a different shade. So yeah, it's a okay product. Now coming to the review of this bag, this time I liked it. I'm happy with all the products I received. I am aware of and have used products from these skincare brands and I definitely trust products from both of these brands. And I also like the quality and the design of the jewelry I received this time. The surprise gift was just okay, but at the same time the number of products sent is still less. We had 2 deluxe samples apart from jewelry and surprise, so that is little disappointing. And personally for me, 2 of the products are repeated. the face mask and the pendant, but it might be because I get a lot of subscriptions for review purpose. It might not be the case for most of you. So I would say this time the Lady Raga bag is better than the last 2 months, but still there remains scope for improvement. If you like the products and jewelry and feel it's worth 666 rupees, then you can definitely go ahead and buy it. I'll leave the link to buy and other details in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Also, you can participate in the giveaways running on my channel. The 1K giveaway has no rules and you can win a hamper of 1000 rupees containing skincare, makeup and jewelry. I'll leave a link to it and the Zoe bag mini giveaway in the description box. So make sure you check that out. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.